Hey there, just watched the movie The Last Laugh on Netflix. This is from 2019. It's an hour and 38 minutes long, and it looks like TV mature audiences. It's after moving into a retirement home, restless talent manager Al reconnects with long ago client Buddy and coaxes him back out on the comedy circuit. And this has Chevy Chase, Richard Dreyfuss, Andy McDowell. It has, you know, some pretty big names, and that's what originally caught my eye about it. It is a pretty slow-paced movie.
Oh, yeah, it's a little bit.
It drags quite a bit, and honestly, like, it just was a little too old manish for me.
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
It was just a lot of, like, old man jokes and old man situations, and
I actually think a little bit older people would actually like this movie more.
Yeah,
it was definitely not Chevy Chase's usual typical movie.
Yeah, I would say that. Yeah, if you're over the age of 60, this might be more your style. Especially if you're over the age of 70, then you'll certainly like this because it refers to a lot of very, very old entertainers.
I'm actually surprised they went back so far.
They went
with
back
their ages.
Well, but they're in their 70s.
Well, true, yeah.
But
so, yeah, makes sense.
Not one that I would watch again, and honestly, not one that I would really recommend to most people, just based on the fact that it's so slow.
Maybe your parents.
And it just wasn't, in my opinion, it just wasn't like. I mean, it says it's a comedy drama. I didn't really get any comedy out of it.
Other than the
and there wasn't even much drama, really.
Yeah,
like,
it was pretty low-key.
It's a pretty vanilla movie, so if you're looking for an older, slow-paced, vanilla-style movie, I would give it a 2 out of 5 stars. How about you?
70, I'd say 3 stars. Yeah,
but you're
2.
not, yeah.
I'm an old soul, darn it.
If you've ever seen The Last Laugh, let me know what you thought of it in the comment section. Maybe I'm being too critical on it. Let me know what you thought. And if you haven't seen it, are you a fan of Chevy Chase? Let me know in the comment section, because if you are, maybe you'll enjoy it just based on the fact that it has Chevy Chase in it. Thank you for watching this review, and I will see you in the next one.